I love this bicycle.
Jalen, how you feel about your bicycle?
I love it.
Hi Gray, my name is Victor van Wyk. I'm the branch manager here at Buco Potchefstroom, and today we are here at the Tai Long Primary School to do the official handover of the school's painting we've done with the Golden Pencil initiative that Buco has done across South Africa and Namibia. And we're quite excited to be part of this community initiative to do the changing and to see how the scholarship is evolving in South Africa, basically in being part of that, to change that environment where the kids is actually studying, from a ceiling with full of holes that has been fixed and repaired and painted and the classrooms is painted. I can just imagine when the kids are coming back from school and they're finding, wow, look at the classroom, there's no holes. So being part of that, being Buco, part of the community, is making us excited, and I'm just glad being part of that, just to be part of the cultural, being part of the growing nation. So from Buco's side, all the best.
The principal of the Tai Long Primary School. I wish to thank Buco, in particular Mr. Victor van Wyk, for the gesture that Buco has done for our school, our community here in Sarafina, Ikageng, Potchefstroom. It's a great pleasure to have met and to be in contact with Mr. Victor van Wyk. The contribution Buco has done to us is very enormous. Having painted for us, having put ceiling for us for almost 10 classrooms that were dilapidated. So we are very grateful for that.
Nna ne ke rata hore ke lebohe Buco ka project e fileng yona. Hore ke etse jopo ena nana ya hore ke etse painting mo sekolong sa Tai Long Primary School, and also ho etsa ho bankanya di-ceiling tsene di thubegile towards ventilation e etsahala mo sekolong ya bo di-cable and whatsoever. So ene ke ne ke nakatsa hore ke gola hape hore community ya rona ya mo Sarafina e tla ba happy ka mosebetsi o go yentseng, and le hore bana ba tlo lena environment e le hore now it's better than before.